This video guides you through pairing your iPhone or Android smartphone with the 2022-2023 Polestar 2 via Bluetooth. Bluetooth allows for hands-free calls, audio streaming, and contact syncing. The process works with both iPhone and Android devices. We will begin with how to set up the Bluetooth for use. This guide covers the streamlined process after 2024 software updates for a stable connection. First, ensure your Polestar 2's ignition is on and the infotainment screen is active. On the touchscreen, navigate to Settings, then Connectivity, and finally select Bluetooth. This will open the Bluetooth menu where you can manage paired devices and initiate new pairings. It is important to note that Polestar's 2024 Plus models support wireless Android Auto and CarPlay, in which Bluetooth is still useful as a backup connection option for audio and calls. On your iPhone or Android smartphone, go to the Settings menu and enable Bluetooth. Your phone will begin searching for available devices. Make sure your phone is discoverable to ensure it can be found by the Polestar 2 system. On the Polestar 2's screen, select Pair New Device. Your Polestar 2 should appear on your smartphone's list of available Bluetooth devices. Select it. You may be prompted to enter a PIN, typically 000 or 1234. Confirm the pairing request on both your phone and the car's screen. After pairing your phone with the Polestar 2, the vehicle's infotainment system will prompt you to grant permissions for accessing your contacts and call history. These permissions enable hands-free calling and automatic contact syncing, allowing the car to display caller information and provide voice-activated dialing. Tap Allow on the car's touchscreen to enable these features. This step is crucial for safety, as it allows you to make and receive calls without touching your phone while driving. For iPhone users, ensure Siri integration is enabled in the car's Bluetooth settings. This allows you to use Siri Eyes-Free for voice commands like Call Mom or Read My Messages, providing a safer driving experience. Android devices automatically sync contacts through Google services once permissions are granted. You may need to disable battery optimization in your phone's settings to prevent disconnections during long drives. This ensures your contacts remain available for hands-free calling. If you encounter Bluetooth issues, start by clearing previously paired devices from both your phone and the Polestar 2 to reset connections. Next, ensure your Polestar 2 software is up to date through the Polestar app for the latest fixes. On Android devices, disable battery optimization for Bluetooth to prevent unexpected disconnections. Recent software updates in 2024-2025, versions 2.5 and 2.6, significantly improved Bluetooth stability and reduced pairing latency. The Polestar 2 uses Bluetooth 5.0, upgraded to 5.2 through software updates, providing robust wireless connectivity. It supports essential Bluetooth profiles including A2DP for high-quality audio streaming, HFP for hands-free calling, and P-up for syncing your contacts. While Bluetooth handles basic functions, wireless ecosystems like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay offer more integrated experiences. Android Auto provides wireless access to Google services, while Apple CarPlay enables seamless iPhone integration. As of 2025, 70% of users prefer these wireless ecosystems for navigation and media over basic Bluetooth alone, due to their enhanced features and seamless operation. The trend is towards seamless connectivity, with future OTA updates potentially incorporating AI-driven pairing and 5G-enabled low-latency streaming. Expect energy-efficient Bluetooth and enhanced security features in upcoming models. The goal is zero-touch connectivity, where devices pair automatically upon entry, driven by software innovation.